And new video. Now in this video we are going to be going over my dividend portfolio to withstand and outperform the bear market. But before we get into it, guys, if you could please smash a like, subscribe down below if you are new, trying to grow the channel. If we can get to 5,000 subs, that would be awesome. And also make sure to go ahead and drop a comment down below of what you think of my portfolio and what you would do differently. Now, a bit about myself. My name is Jack. I'm 21 years old from the UK. If you haven't seen my first video, go and check it out. It is going over my individual savings account or my stocks and shares ISA here in the UK, which for you US people is the equivalent of a Roth IRA. I've maxed out for the past 2 years and have about 40,000 in that account right now. Now you can see this account is much smaller, only £2,400. However, what I'm looking to do is I'm about to do a deposit of £70,000 in this account over the next couple of months, and I'm going to show you guys my current portfolio and where I'm going to be investing that money. With that being said, let's jump straight into the video. So if we have a look at my holdings for this dividends, now you can see I've got two pies, one of them being dividends, one of them being ETFs and REITs. So I'm invested in sort of two different, of course, single stocks and then ETFs and REITs here, which pay a dividend. So if we go into the dividends and we can see the holdings, so I have Apple here, I've got Vanguard, FTSE All World High Dividend Yield, Realty Income, Johnson & Johnson, Unilever, Altria Group, BCE, BP, British American Tobacco, Intel, Coca-Cola, AT&T, and Imperial Brands. So those are my picks in terms of my dividend portfolio. Now you can see the average annual return will be about 7% a year. Now that is only based on stock growth. Then we have, of course, the dividend yield, which is about an average of 4%. So that brings us way up to about 11% a year on average in this dividend portfolio. Now in the ETF portfolio, we can see I have iShares, S&P 500 information technology sector. So this only focuses on the tech sector of the S&P 500. I believe in technology. I personally love technology. I spend a lot of money on technology for my business as well that I have. And yeah, I love tech and I believe in tech long term with AI, AR and a bunch of other stuff, right? So that is why I've invested in the tech sector there for the S&P. I have iShares UK Property, which is a REIT. I've got Vanguard FTSE 100. Again, just some more exposure to the UK in this market. I have an Invesco Real Estate S&P US Sector Select Sector. So this is a REIT investing in the US real estate markets. Again, another REIT there. We have iShares Global Clean Energy. We've got Vanguard FTSE All World High Dividend Yield. And we have FTSE Emerging Markets and Apple Hospitality. So you can see there's some sort of follow over from my ISA account. However, if we go ahead and see Altria, I'm up about 0.53%. Apple, I'm down about 4%. Apple Hospitality, I'm up 4%. AT&T, I'm down 4%. However, they have been taking a nice hit over the last 3 months. They are down quite a bit. Over last year, they are down massively. And we take a look at the maximum, they are down. But I do believe in the company long term. I mean, AT&T, they're a big sort of phone company, communications, telecommunications. So I do believe in them long term. And I mean, they do pay about a 6.9% dividend yield as well, with a PTE ratio of 4.82, with revenue of $168 billion. So pretty big company there. Okay, BCE, I'm down about 5%. They do pay a 6.15% dividend yield. Altria pays 8.85%. Apple only pays 0.67%. But I mean, who doesn't believe in Apple long term, right? So this is just nice to have, holding Apple plus getting a small dividend. Apple Hospitality, a REIT, pays 5.91%. AT&T again 6%. BCE 6.15%. BP, I'm up about 4.54%. And they do pay a dividend yield of 4.79%. British American Tobacco, I'm down about 4%, but they do pay a dividend yield of 6.68% there. Coca-Cola, they do pay 3.1%. I'm down almost 6% on that. Imperial Brands, I'm up 2.6%, and they pay an 8.53% dividend yield. Intel pay 5.27% a year, and I am down about 7% there. Invesco Real Estate S&P US Select Sector, that is a mouthful. Okay, so it doesn't actually look like these guys pay a dividend. However, again, this is an ETF that I'm invested in because it's investing in the US stock market. However, real estate market, sorry, but I am down about 0.83%. Global Clean Energy down 1%. The iShares S&P sector here for the S&P 500, I'm up 4%. iShares UK Property, I'm down 2.5%. J&J pays 2.74%, and I'm down about 0.37% there. Microsoft pays 1.09%, and I am up about 0.79% there. Realty Income pays 4.9%, and I'm down about 8%. Unilever pays 3.65%, and I'm down about 1.97%. FTSE 100, these guys do pay a dividend as well. I think all of these ETFs do pay a dividend, but for some reason they're not actually showing on here. So maybe I need to pull these graphs up on another website for future videos. But FTSE 100, I'm up 0.92%. Vanguard FTSE All World High Dividend Yield up 0.17%, and the emerging markets I am up almost 3% on. So yeah, I actually did only invest in this a couple of days ago actually. If we go to like the 1 month chart, we can see here I had this big spike around actually Monday, so this week. So I only invested in this a couple of days ago. We're already up about £10 or 1.23% on that one. However, the account is down about £31 so far. So as if we go to the maximum graph, you can see I did actually start investing in here around 2021. However, I did lose a lot of money on this portfolio. I lost over 40% of my portfolio, and I just sold out of everything and then started fresh and actually done some research into some of these stocks here. And that is pretty much where I have my money. So what I'm looking at doing is I am actually looking at going ahead and putting most of this money into the dividend yield. I just wanted this ETF from REITs. Maybe I'll have like 30 to 40% in ETFs and REITs, just to kind of be the backbone of this portfolio. But the dividends is going to be the main sort of aggressive portfolio that I want to focus on. So Apple again 10%. So all of these are about, yeah, Apple 10, all high world dividend 10, Realty Income 9, J&J 9, Unilever 9, Ultra Group 9, BCE 9, BP 7, BAT 7, Intel 6, Coca-Cola 5, AT&T 5, and Imperial Brands 5. Now the ETFs, I have iShares, S&P 500 Information Tech Sector 15, 13, 13, 13, 12, 12, 12, and 10. So that is how I have broken this up in terms of allocation. Now if we take a look at the annual return is about 9.53% on this one. But again, if you add dividends, that's probably going to be, you know, maybe close to 12 or 13%, something around there. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. If you have enjoyed, make sure you smash a like. My next video is going to be on how I'm able to invest, you know, a lot of money in the stock market at only 21 years on. I'm going to be going over my story and how I made it to this point. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.